Now let us talk about of what I told you not to worry about, that is nodes. So what are nodes? In a computer network, nodes are the points or devices at which the communication either begins or stops. As you are listening to me, we are in a network. You and me are the endpoints, which is commonly known as nodes. I am the transmitting node while you are the receiving node because you are hearing me. In a nutshell, the nodes are the points in a network through which data flows or at which the data stops and starts. Like in our example, we only had 5 peoples. Let's go back to that. There are 5 peoples. That means this is a network of 5 nodes. In real networks, there can be thousands of nodes in a network or even more. So once again, nodes are the endpoints at which the data or information either starts or stops flowing inside the network. Now coming to an interesting point about the nodes are called with different names on different types of networks. If you are using different types of networks, you might need to call your nodes with different names, and such is because of the following fact. If the nodes are connected in a wired network, they are referred to as hosts. If they are connected on a wireless network without the use of wires, they are called as stations. This is an important point and you should consider writing it down. If the nodes are using a wireless network, they are called stations, and if they use a wired connection, a wired network, they are known as hosts. So host on the wired one and stations on the wireless one. So in this example, we have 5 machines and all of them are nodes. The transmission of data follows through each one of them so that they can share the data across the network. So these are 5 nodes. On the left hand side, we have stations. Because they are connected wirelessly, they form a wireless network within the central laptop or central node. And on the right hand side, we have the host because they form a wired network, a wired connection between the central host and them. So the wired one are called host and the non-wired or wireless one are called stations. So these are some of the points about node, and you should consider the host and station ones in particular.